Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Fundamental Studies, a channel which clears your basic concepts. So today I'll be discussing about the ventricular system, that how the system appears like in the original human brain specimen. So before watching this video, I would want you to watch video regarding the introduction to the ventricular system, whose link has been provided in the description below, so that you could be more clear with the concept when you watch this video. So let's begin. So this is the specimen showing you the ventricular system, whereby this system consists of the lateral ventricle, the third ventricle and the fourth ventricle. Okay, the lateral ventricle and the third ventricle are connected by means of interventricular foramen of Monro, which is represented by light blue color. Okay, the third ventricle is connected to the fourth ventricle by means of an aqueduct, which is the cerebral aqueduct of Sylvius. The fourth ventricle then continues with the central canal of the spinal cord. Okay, so this is a sagittal section, and in the sagittal section the fourth ventricle will appear you like a tent. So this is the fourth ventricle, which is the tent shaped structure consisting of the floor and the roof. Okay, next over here you can see a structure. This structure is referred to as the arbor vitae, or the tree of life, which forms the part of the cerebellum. Okay, also, as it is the medial aspect of the human brain, so, or as already told in the previous videos, that the medial aspect consists of the corpus callosum. The most important feature of the medial aspect is the presence of the corpus callosum, which is nothing but simply a thick band of white fibers connecting the two cerebral hemispheres together. So in this specimen, here lies the corpus callosum with its four parts. Over here will be the rostrum. This is the anterior extremity, which is quite thick, as is very clearly appreciable while looking the specimen. And this anterior thick extremity is the genu. This is the central part or the body of the corpus callosum, and this is the posterior thick extremity, the splenium. Next, over here also you could appreciate a white band, which is nothing but fornix. Fornix is again white matter, right? So once again recapitulating this is the diagram showing you the ventricular system, a system which is responsible for the CSF production. You can appreciate the lateral ventricle, the third ventricle and the fourth ventricle. The lateral ventricle is connected to the third ventricle by means of the interventricular foramen of Monro. The third ventricle in turn is connected to the fourth ventricle by means of the cerebral aqueduct of Sylvius. You can find arbor vitae, or the tree of life, forming an essential part of the cerebellum. Because it is the medial aspect, so you can also appreciate the presence of corpus callosum and its four parts: rostrum, genu, central part of the body and the splenium. Lastly, you can also see a thick white fiber bundle, which is the corpus callosum. Okay, so this was all about the ventricular system in the original human brain specimen. I hope that you understood it well, and if you liked my video, so please do press on the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel till yet, so please do subscribe to my channel as well. And yes, do not forget to press on the bell icon so that you do not miss on to the latest updates and notifications of my channel. Thank you.